We get told, wait your turn. Follow the rules. Know your limits. But I hear it inside me. That voice, ready to break free. Dare to be a rebel.
Let's go.
A misfit. Dare to step out of line. Dare to be the one.
Always wanted to be.
Be a fighter. A creator. A dreamer. 'Cause nothing can stop you. If you dare to be. Real me.
Scene 1C, shot 3, take 3, action.
Fantastic. Very excited.
ده انا مبسوط جدا.
Oh, amazed about this.
50 million milestone, I think, is a wonderful feat.
By the end of 2020, Realme has expanded to 61 markets worldwide, becoming the world's fastest smartphone brand to gain 50 million users. And it was all started back in 2018. Realme was established as a dare-to-leap technology company, bringing powerful and stylish products to global youth.
其实我在海外工作的这个过程当中，还是发现很多年轻人，他们对于手机产品这样强劲的性能、潮流的设计的需求是非常强的。我觉得作为 Realme， 我们能不能给消费者，特别是年轻消费者，提供这样高品质、可接受的价格、潮流的产品？
Still remember, it was early 2018 when Sky called up and said, "Hey Madhav, what about an idea of launching a new brand?" I think the very next moment my expression was, "Yes, I am in." And I still remember the day we started in a very small meeting room with just about very few handful of people, and that was the moment of my life. And with this such a small team, I think we have made wonders not only in India but globally.
Yeah, so Realme entering the market in 2018 was a pretty bold move actually. So achieving 50 million users in the speed that Realme has done it is unrivaled. No other brand has done it faster. So the Realme product is, I think, the main strength. So they use high quality componentry, really good colors, materials and finishes on the product to create designs that appeal, and they are able to do that at a very attractive price point.
I've always been a smartphone lover, and the opportunity to join Realme, such a young brand that actually has such bold ideas about smartphones for Gen Z users, was extremely appealing to me. Realme actually puts the users at the core of every decision. We actually try to think how the users are going to feel about it, whether they're going to think it's useful, we can improve by listening to their feedback and try to meet their expectations as well.
Realme 的设计理念很单纯，我们是想通过我们的产品设计带给用户惊喜感，和用户玩在一起。和深泽先生的合作是最好玩的。
它其实最著名的就是在于它的无意识设计，因为它可以把很多的好的理念带给我们的消费者。我们也邀请了我们的爱马仕家居的设计师 Uzi Levy， 还有我们的韩国的潮玩设计师等等等等，未来会越来越大这样的一个团队。
I'm very proud to work with the Realme team, which is so energetic, young, and ready for challenge.
بتهيألي الأسباب الأساسية إن ريلمي is a very dynamic brand, active جدا ودايما بتسمع للكونسيومرز.
أنا شايف إن السبب الرئيسي إن إحنا وصلنا ل 50 مليون يوزر في فترة قصيرة قوي، إن إحنا قريبين جدا من الشباب.
And I love the idea that Realme is dedicated to young, passionate and open-minded people, because this is how I see myself as well.
And we have so many challenges every day, and it's every day we have to make a huge step and challenge ourselves as well.
أول impression جاي إن إحنا دايما صراع وعندنا الأفكار الجديدة دايما اللي تساعد الشباب.
Я верю, что у компании Realme есть своя уникальная стратегия. Сильно клиентоориентированы, мы стараемся нашим покупателям предоставить самые современные продукты, самые...
Marka olarak sadece satışa odaklı bir marka değiliz. Satış sonrası memnuniyet.
Мне кажется, все дело в отношении. В отношении как к продукту, который мы делаем, так и в отношении к pользователям.
Bu sayede hem teknolojiye yön verecek hem de bu gelişmeleri 7'den 70'e tüm kullanıcılarımızla buluşturacaktır.
Hey 50 million of
Hey 50 million.
Hey, 50 million of you.
50 million of you. 50 million of you.
Ребята, вас 50 миллионов.
Daha da cesaretler.
一起赶越级，
Let's leap forward together.
اللي تنزلوا.
Also great pleasure be there for you.
بنحبكم جدا. وصلنا 50 مليون مع بعض، ان شاء الله نوصل 100 مليون مع بعض.
We owe this achievement to you and we are committed to bring trend-setting technologies.
是每一个你成就了 Realme